Hey everyone, this is John Rollins. Take a look at the truck I have here today. This is a 2012 Ford F-250 dark blue pearl metallic. It's a short bed truck, 6.7. The truck has been lifted and it's in absolutely beautiful shape. The truck is very, very clean. Factory tow package, backup camera, tailgate steps. Got a spray-in liner, fifth wheel rails. It's got a hard folding tonneau cover. It's got a power sliding rear window. It does have the 7-pin connector right there in the bed. LED smoke tail lights. Of course, the truck does have a nice exhaust on it. Fuel wheels. These are a 20-inch fuel Maverick. They are 35, 12, 50, 20. Gladiator comp MT tires. The tires are like still new. You can still see there's nipples on them. Now this is a rust-free Southern truck. The frame, everything underneath is brand new. Chrome running boards, big tow mirrors, chrome grille in the front, fog lights, tow hooks. It's got the aftermarket custom grille with the LED light bar in the middle of it. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This truck is a Lariat, so it's fully loaded. It's got the black interior, power extend and fold mirrors, memory driver's seat, of course leather seats, heated and air conditioning seats. You got bucket seats in the front, power seats, adjustable foot pedals, tilt. You got steering wheel controls for your audio and your radio. This truck only has 90,009 miles. Your tuner, everything is right here on the A-pillar. Navigation, backup camera, automatic dual zone climate control, factory trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive switches right here. You pull it out, you've got an electronic locking rear differential, hill descend, traction control. The truck does have sync, so it's got Bluetooth. There's your USB and auxiliary inputs. You've got a nice big center console, plenty of storage inside. There's the factory emblems. There's the front caps for the wheels. Again, this truck is a factory sunroof truck. Sunroof controls, rear slider controls are right up front here. You've got Homelink controls right here on the visor. That's for your garage door opener. The rear seats are in beautiful shape, just like the fronts. No rips or tears. We've got the factory Ford big rubber Super Duty mats. Here in the back, you've got a 110 outlet back here, HVAC vents, another 12-volt outlet. Here's a look at your dash. This is just a great running truck. Sharp color. You really don't see this blue that often. And it runs out perfect. Passenger seat looks terrific, just like the driver's seat. The dash is in beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Got a stock air box, but you do have the DPF delete. The truck runs out great. These trucks stock make 400 horse, 800 foot-pounds. This truck obviously makes a little bit more than that, you know, with the power adders. My name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and I have nationwide shipping available. Thank you.